What up, players? Gonna be working on this bumper again. Starting this video off with some work. Gonna be cleaning up all the welds. Since our last video, you guys seen I welded all this stuff up. I cleaned this side, I think. This side had a weld, but I'm gonna grind them all down so it looks like this. Same with all these. I'm gonna get them as smooth as possible. These lights, these corners, and I'm gonna get these all nice and smooth, so it's all shaved finally and smooth like the rest of it. I just got back from Home Depot actually, and I bought some of these. So these are like round bar. It's, let's see, 1/4 inch thick by 48 inches, and then I bought two smaller ones. This is the same thing, 1/4 inch by 36 inches, 4 feet and 3 feet pretty much. And then I bought this flat bar, which is 1 inch by 36 inches. It's an 1/8 inch thick. And I'm thinking about getting rid of these little like indents that they have here from the old license plate. So I got this to kind of like see if I'm gonna do something like that. I'm not too sure. And then these round bars are gonna be for either in here somewhere on the outside, not too sure yet. But first of all, I'm gonna get to grinding down all these welds, and then probably wait for my brother to get here after work to see what his idea is on using these. Like either place them behind the actual bumper so it's kind of like smoothing out the back piece. Let me show you, like this, or on the outside, or I don't know what. So I don't really know to decide on that, so I'm gonna wait till he can come help me out. But for now, I'm gonna be grinding these down. And yeah, let's keep it going. All right guys, just finished up the little pieces. We pretty much made 4 pieces in this shape to do the top in a 2-piece and the bottom in a 2-piece. And it's all just tacked now. The hole is equal all the way across and looks pretty dope now.
We like it better than that.
We like it better than having that hole, which I still gotta flip the bumper around and cut out some stuff like this extraness and some of this stuff. But I'm about to weld it all nice and flush and then grind it all down, so now this kind of goes away and you can't really tell that it was even covered. So I'm gonna get to doing that, and I'll probably update you guys once I'm done grinding it so you can see what it looks like. All right players, Izzy just saved us with this torch. Now we pretty much got the first bar in place. I tacked it like on the outside, but I don't know if we're gonna tack it, weld it from behind or what, but that's pretty much what we got so far. We would like tack in the center, bend this way and tack it, then bend it along this way. And then for these corners, we pretty much just sat here heating it up with the torch until it was hot enough to bend easily. Bend it around the corner. Then we stopped here. Then we got another piece, did the same thing. And then we did the same thing over here. Bend it in this corner. And then it had like a little bit sticking out this way. So we just cut both of them right through and they fit perfectly together like that. So that's pretty much how we got this piece going. Now we have this extra right here, and we're gonna do the same thing. Heat this shit up with a torch. Once it gets hot enough, we're gonna bend it and get this shape and keep tacking it as it go. So that's how it's coming out so far, and I'm gonna update you guys once we get this piece all connected right here. I'll probably record right now when thing comes back, showing you guys how we're heating that up. Where's the just turn it off and then we'll
You don't need that. You don't need that this time.
Yeah, we do. We still need something to hold it.
You don't need that. You could grab this.
Oh,
So come over here.
I like this better though. Just turn it off. Let's go. It's alright. If it messes up, it's for the video. Good content.
Well, let me go on that side.
My boy. It's already cooled down already. Taking a whole hour. Go. Put it in there.
Keep it.
Oh snaps. Alright, players. that's how it's done. Now you push it down and then tack away. So we're gonna do the same thing, tack it like a few spots and then heat up this corner and turn it into there. That's how you do it. Simple. What up, players? Finally back with a new video other than working on my car in the backyard. Now we got some more car shit going on today. We got everybody meeting up at the gas station today. We got JC with the 69 Camaro, Izzy with his Nova, Beto with his Camaro, Dean's here in the truck, Taylor's with his little Nova right there, and Eric with his super long truck. We're gonna go to the Pomona and hit the California Rolling Cars and Coffee. First one, I guess. So we're gonna go check it out and see what it's like down there. Hopefully I get some cool rolling shots right now. And a bunch of cool cars are out there too to record. So I'll update you guys right now when we're on our way. Alright, players, we made it, and this is what we're working with right now this early morning. There's a bunch of trucks.
That's the one we've seen on the freeway, huh?
Truck here, yeah. Square body. Doc Hudson from the movie Cars.
Look at all these America foods.
Some more trucks, and a bunch more C10 foods pulling up. Look at that camber.
He's always freaking representing.